gosh, hi you guys. Well, guess what? I have been filming, or so I thought I was, this whole page for you. And then I looked over and my camera was not actually filming. So basically, let me run by you what I did. Basically, I just collaged down some pieces of paper, then I drew a half of a face, and now I'm coloring in the face, and I just added the white eyeballs. And let me come down a little bit. Oh, I think you're okay since I'm not doing anything that's going to be, what do you call it anymore? Fine or not like any of it is fine, but you know what I mean? Yeah. So let's just roll with what we got. So basically, I'm doing a journal page for you, and I'm having my vodka cranberry, and I'm going to continue on from here because we still have to do the hair, we still have to do the words, and you can still see the page, but I can't believe that my video camera was actually not filming. So, I mean, I've had a lot of trouble with this camera lately, so something's actually going on with it. I don't know what. Basically, so I used this regular acrylic paint for this, and then I went in with some Posca pen for the lips. The eyes I did in blue, and then I went around it with some pencil and also some Stabilo. If I can find my Stabilo, I don't know where it is, but yeah, I was using, oh, right here. So I went around the eyes and the lips with some Stabilo. So anyway, so that's where we are now, and now I'm just going to do some hair, and I don't know how I'm going to do the hair. Um, so yeah, so this is where we are. And oh, this was an unfortunate piece down here, and I don't really like where this piece is up here, but you know what? This was just for fun. So we're just going to roll with it and go with it the way it is now. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some hair, and then we're going to do some words, and then we'll call it good. But my gosh, that was insane. So yeah, so just going to go ahead and put in some hair here, hair here, and then we'll go up here with some hair. And then, I don't know how I'm going to do the hair. I'm just probably just going to do just some whatever, nothing grand here. Just, and then just come down here and give her a little neck. Here's her neck actually over here, and that can be hair. I don't know what I'm doing. So let's actually take that off of there if I can. Can you erase it below? I've never tried. Yeah. Anyway, we're just gonna go with that. So just. I don't know what I'm doing, so let's just go ahead and throw some hair on here and just go with that. Hair color, purple. Purple and blue, why not? Let's try it. Do what we can. I'm not good at the hair part. I might add some of that red to it because it's just sitting here. Ooh, nice. So let's just play with some hair here. I can't believe this whole thing was not filming. I mean, I might be able to find some of it at the beginning, but I don't know. That was really strange. Not happy with that, but I mean, I remember seeing that it was filming, like it looked like it was filming, but then I was like, what's going on? This is weird looking, I don't know. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. No, she's gonna have purple hair. Purple hair. Why not? And I don't care if, like I said, well, you might not have heard me say earlier, I don't care if it's a little transparent, that you can see the, I want to be able to see through it if you can, so I don't mind. Yeah, purple is good. This was just something I wanted, I think I said this earlier, something that I just kind of wanted to do, just like a collagey background with a half of a face. It was kind of something that has been on my mind for a while, so here we are doing it. And not doing a very good job on this hair. Oh my God, what is that? You know what, you guys? Her hair's gonna suck, so I might as well suck big. Right? Let's just do it. Let's just do it. I don't know how to do hair. I don't know how to do a lot of this stuff, but we're doing it. Yeah. I don't like to take too much time to figure it out. I like to just go for it. I guess you know that about me, huh? Oh, we got some red in there. We don't care. And then that black is the um, Stabilo coming through, which is fine too. It's fine. Like, we are going for the purple hair, dudes. We're definitely going for the purple hair right now. That's fine. Yeah, like, this is a really unfortunate little piece of paper, but cute. This is just good for the soul kind of stuff. Really needed to do this. Now, this would have been really cute if it was a lot thinner, but that's okay. Let's make her head fatter. There we go. Still some of this red in here. Why not? I like it. I like it. Some blue. Sure, why not? What else do we got on here? Black, no. White. Yep. Why not? That should be darker, but that's okay. Oh, wow. What do you think of that? Okay, we need a sip of this. I like her face, though. All right, so let's dry this a little bit and I'll be right back. I hate to turn off the camera, so I'm going to hurry it. I'll just put, you know, because something's wrong. So I'm just going to fast forward it. Maybe. You'll be here all night if I do that, though. I'm going to have to close it. Okay, we are back, and I love her. I love her. I love her. I absolutely love her. I think she's super cute. I love her. I know what I want to do. I'm excited. Let's have a shot of this real quick. Feeling my mojo coming back. Feeling my mojo. Don't laugh, you guys. I know. I'm silly. Okay, but what I'd like to do is just kind of, I don't know, give her maybe a couple of... This isn't very sharp now that I've unsharpened it. Here. Let's do this. Okay. Good enough. Okay, so there's that. But what I want to do is I'm going to put you down a little bit. Boom. What I want to do... Where's my water brush? Is there any water in it? Oh my god. No, there's never any water in it when I want there to be. Okay. We'll be okay. I'm going to go over this like this. And I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to put some water on there first. I don't care if there's paint in it or not. That's what I'm talking about. Just like that. Same here. Wrong kind of pencil. I hope I can find some of the first part of this page, what I was doing. I really do. I'm really sorry that I screwed that up, but I do that a lot. I've gotten to the point where my videos aren't so great anymore that I'm just doing them. For me and for some of you that understand me or have been following me for a while and watched my progression or my lack thereof, you know. Yeah. So. Alright, I like that. Love it. Alright, so now I want to go around here a little bit, but this one I want to be a little cleaner about it. That's good enough. Okay. All right, so there's that. All right, so now basically I need to dry this a little bit. Okay, good. There we go. Let me get some. There we go. Okay. All right, and now what I'd like to do is go around the edge, and then I'm going to put some words on here, and then I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Very weirdly. But it's just something I'm thinking about doing, so I'm going to do it. Now, I'd like to kind of, if I can just use this. Yeah, they're perfect. That's what I want. My funnest time when I'm working on my craft space is when I just let go, you guys. When I just let go and I do what I want to do, not what I think people want to see, but what I want to do. And so I'm sure there's going to be some dislikes and people aren't going to like this, but it's what I wanted to do. And it's, you know, I'm going to start doing more of, you know, what I want to do and not what you guys want to. Some of you might not want to see. But I think everybody likes art journal pages for sure. I think this is a win. But I am going to do more, you know, because I think I'm doing an injustice by doing pages that, or things that aren't making me happy too. And that I think have gone ran their course. And I'll tell you more about that. Yeah, I'll tell you more about that in another video, but I've got some changes, more changes yet coming. That looks good. All right, so let me go ahead and blow that. And then we're just gonna add some words and we're gonna be done with it. And I love this page. Probably gonna be one of my fave pages. Probably gonna be doing one of my favorite pages because we've added collaging and a mixed media girl. And even though I suck at it, it's one of my favorite things to do. I struggle with it, but I really do love it. So, yeah. Let's add a little bit of blue in here. Where's my... There we go. Okay. All right. Okay. Got it. I found something. It says, spilling your wine is the adult equivalent of a child losing a helium balloon. Hello. That's it. We're done. That's perfect. So let me grab the old Jot glue, get these down, and I think we're going to be able to call this good. Oh, I think that is so cute. I'm in love with this picture. I don't usually say that, you guys. You know that about me, right? I don't usually like my stuff too much, but this one is a good one, and because I just kind of followed my own vibe, followed what I wanted to do. Yeah, not that I don't do that. I do that, you guys. I do that, but sometimes I just feel like I get a little self-conscious, and I think that's normal if you're going to do stuff out online. Spilling your wine. And this, these words came from a friend of mine. She sent me a thing with all kinds of good sayings in it, and so this is one of them that I chose. I love it. A box of goodies she sent me. In my case, it would be vodka tonight because I am having a glass of vodka. Yeah. So I'm sorry if this was a weird video because I just don't know what happened to the first part of it. I kept clicking the camera to go, and sometimes I'm thinking, oh, it's going, and then I was looking at it later, I'm like, no, it's not going. So I don't know what happened. So I don't know what it's going to be like, but you'll see the end of it, and that's fine. That's good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go around these with this, because it definitely needs it on here for sure. Hope my hair's not in the way. Boy, this felt good getting this done today because I did work today and I have to work tomorrow, so it felt good to do something in my space tonight. All right, so I'm gonna find one of those. I had them out. Come on. I have the small one. I just thought I had it out, but oh well. Let's see. Let's see if I can just dip the paint. So there it is, you guys. I think Spilling Your Wine is the adult equivalent of a child losing a helium balloon. I know exactly how I would feel about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this page or whatever you got to see of it, because I know I did. And we'll be back soon. I'll probably be doing a Fatty Patty on Wednesday, okay, you guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye, guys. Take care.